Bengalee Board of School Education kelap benai ke result jangka Higher Secondary School Leaving Certificate Science buat Commerce Stream hak apan rutrik jembang arjar puar hak bau Gyanish Roy Bomik la Laban Bengalee Boys High Secondary School ulayo eka Kyrdan Banyngkong hak Science Stream bag ria karpra na St Anthony's Higher Secondary School kelayo eka Kyrdan Banyngkong hak Commerce Stream.
Three things are important for me. First is your planning, then proper execution. There are people who plan but they cannot execute it properly, so that's pointless. So proper execution and ultimately I'll say performance, because I have seen many good students who cannot perform well in their exams. They have prepared well but they cannot perform, maybe because of anxiety or stress. But performance is very much important, because ultimately what the society recognizes is your result. It's not your hard work that you put in.
All the hard work, prayers, work, secondly, I thank for the email, Baba, but you inspire and encourage you up and down. Thirdly, the teachers, principal, but you encourage me. The pandemic batch me, 11-12 pandemic, Kataro, helping me to provide notes, videos, audio baraban in Laban. Then you can't help with support, your support to her.
Habai keren kino hikai jangka Laban Bengalee Boys High Secondary School kilaong badai Hadien arbu Snem bag school kelayo kum kani ke jing job hak Science Stream tamlele bawat ya Kyrdan baaru layo nakani ke jog school mentau Snem.
The teachers are happy, my office staffs are happy. They have informed me, and management also very happy. And after, you can see last year in the corona situation, teachers have taken lots of trouble with the online class. Then whenever possible, they have taken during winter also.
This is something which we had been waiting for the last 28 years. The school brought inception to higher secondary science in 1994. And since then, one thing I will say, that once our teachers are no less than any other teacher from where positions come. But as long as we get students who trust us, results will be there. Since 94 last year for commerce we got the first position. But science we had been waiting. We have been getting positions but not the first. And this year it is icing on the cake when we have both the first and the second. Now this is something, God has showered all His blessings on us for the hard work of the teachers and also the students.
Habapai pat cak St Anthony's High Secondary School u Principal Father Anthony Kharkungor ulaong bakade ke jingai mensi miki babun namar bawan chakmat ang hakani kenti ki babun kidai ki khasi.
Te ni ai ki complementara Snem lele ni nak science ki bayot na school jungi kidai ki khasi. Namar kini group bun bang ni nak ya state jungi te ni iba ki nak jungi tu kim dei ki ba kom re ki la aba ki testom nak kalian jungi science pat ni nimsim la do jingkermen re ngila don kata ke expectation hi ba nim num yo ke result mentau Snem ke babha namar nak ada jong ke ni ke pandemic ke corona ke bawan re wala kata pat ngala ai men sim ya kino kai ba kim dei bendu jingkermen let's see kalong ka challenge nak ka benta jungi wat apa dengan ke jing yok mat ke ni ka klam re wala kata ni klem sange ban ya kata ka ai ke education hikai ki kena re wala kata ru apa dengan jong kiru lang kidang yok toppers ka science te ni ai ka jingkit bok ki yang ni kena ki blale bah bat kam ta me bikinang ki ushe prang bikinang bat ke jingkai ke baki la yok na ka skor jungi bat ki ba kena bikinang ye trash dom nang dikmat